7, 8, and 9 are synthetic division. Synthetic division works when you have nothing, or actually it's a 1, in front of your coefficient of your x. So these are like the very first long division problem type ones we did, and we could do these by long division, but synthetic division is kind of a shortcut. They've already set up your synthetic division table for you, which was really nice of them because in the book you'd have to do it yourself. What they did here is, first of all, they set this equal to 0. If x minus 4 equals 0, you have a positive 4 on the outside. Then they use the coefficients of each of your terms. If they skip any, there'd be a 0. But we had a negative 1x cubed, a 3x squared, a 6x, and a minus 8. In the event you have to set that up on your own sometime. On Alex, they do it for you. Synthetic division, what they're first going to do is just drop down that first one. Almost fits in my box, so that's going to stay negative 1. Then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply, put the answer up here, and add, and just keep going through there. So 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Our 3 plus our negative 4 is a negative 1 in that bottom box then. 4 times negative 1 again is negative 4. 6 plus negative 4 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So drop the first number and then multiply and add, multiply and add, multiply and add. So what happens is the n number is your remainder. That's going to go in the little box above the fraction. The numbers in front of that are the coefficients to your answer 1 degree lower than your original polynomial. So since this was a 3rd degree polynomial, we're going to have a squared. So I'm going to have a negative 1x squared, which would be negative x squared, minus an x, plus a 2, and then of course our remainder is 0. So that's a lot quicker probably than doing long division once you get the hang of doing synthetic division. So number 8. First thing I'm going to do, drop my 3 down, put that in the first box. So negative 2 times 3 would be negative 6 plus the 7 above that is 1. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2 plus the 0 above that, negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4. 4 plus the negative 1 above that, 3. So the 3 is your remainder. These are your coefficients, 1 degree less than the original one, which was a cube, so we get squared. So we're going to get 3x squared plus 1x to the first minus our 2 with our remainder of 3. Number 9 then. First thing we're going to do, drop my 2. In the next box on the top row, I'm going to have negative 6. Then we're going to bring down 4. Then we're going to get negative 12 and bring down negative 3. Then we're going to have 9 and bring down 2. And then we're going to have negative 6 and bring down negative 1. So our quotient would be 2x to the third plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 2 with the remainder of negative 1. It almost looks like a negative 1 there.